Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been trying to figure out how to take down your natural hair braid out where you avoid frizz and keep the definition, this video is for you. Braid outs are one of my favorite hairstyles for natural hair because A, it doesn't take that long to do, and braid outs give me a lot of length for my hair, so I just love the volume of it. But there is a way to take it down so that you get the most out of your hard work of braiding your hair. Today I'll be showing step by step how to take down your natural hair braid out to avoid frizz and keep the definition. Now we all know that sometimes you can spend so much time doing a twist out, doing a braid out, and then when you take your braids down, you're like, where did all this frizz come from? So I'm gonna show step by step how to take it down so that you get the best results that can last you an entire week. For my braid out takedown, I only use one product, which is my very own, which is the hydrating buttercream. I love this product because it's a one-stop shop for all of my natural hair moisture, do twist outs, braid outs, you name it, all natural ingredients. So I'm gonna use this to show how I take down my braid out today. I had exactly 16 braids in my hair, about 4 braids on each row. And yeah, this is how it turned out. As you can see, look at all that definition. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this style on my natural hair. I have 16 braids all together, section my hair in about fourths, and have 4 braids going across each row. I'm going to use just a little bit on my tips, rub that in, and it gets like a nice light oil. And so I'm just gonna lather it at the ends of my hair and kind of twirl in a little motion there. All right, now time to unbraid. It's exactly what you think, but what you want to do is make sure that you're not ripping apart the braids. All right, let's get started.
One thing I'll always make sure to do when I'm taking down my braid out is at the very base of the braid, that is where I'm beginning to unravel. So if you're watching me very closely right now, I'm making sure that I'm starting from the base, so not just unraveling by holding the bottom strands. And for each braid, I'm applying the hydrating buttercream to start the takedown. Each time you're taking down a braid, start off by rubbing in a little bit of butter or oil to help with reducing frizz and add that moisture to your hair. Every now and then there might be some tangles with the braids, so just pull it out on slowly, nothing to get too freaked out about.
This camera eats! Ah! Okay, I'm actually obsessed with this camera. I've spent literally my entire YouTube time frame using an iPhone and or I did have my Canon T2i, but the stabilization on that and like the focus on that was, sometimes I look back at the videos and I'm like, all right. But this is the best camera I have ever had, and I can tell just with my like braid out takedown right now, I am so impressed. I know they say you can have all types of like, what's this called? What's that called? Lenses and stuff, but just the lens out the box, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. It's important when you're grabbing to take it out that you're grabbing from the like the base braid, because if there's any pieces of hair that is looped within another section, you want to grab it gently so not separate it all the way down to the end. Yay! This is so cool to have a mirror. I've always wanted a side little pull out thing with my camera. Yay.
I definitely learned how to do braid outs before twist outs when I started going natural. Braids were just so easy to do, like you can't really go wrong with braiding and unbraiding your hair. Twist outs on the other hand took me a little bit more practice. I'll eventually show my twist out routine on this channel very soon, but braid outs are a tried and true style when it comes to my experience with maintaining my hair. And just like that, we are on the last braid, and let's get ready for the final results.
All right, I'm done with the takedown process for my braid out. Now it's time to fluff. Now when I fluff, I'm a lot more conservative with my fluffing because throughout the week, I feel like my hair is gonna fluff up anyway. So really it's just the roots of my hair, and I like to leave the form of my braid out intact. So pretty much the ends I like to keep the same. But as you can see, look at that definition. Hey, hey. Okay, so to fluff it out, I have a wide tooth comb, and what I do is I go from the roots right to like maybe, what is this? I don't know, 4 inches of fluffing, just to separate it a little bit so it doesn't look like I just took my braids down. So I just fluff and open it up just a little bit to add volume. But again, I don't touch the ends of my hair because I feel like once the ends are separated, that's where all the frizz comes in. So I keep that intact by just going in and fluffing the root part. Oh, okay. Well, looks like I was not finished. I have one more braid to take down. Like, have y'all ever gone out in public and you have a whole twist or braid still in your hair? Because I definitely have. But luckily, like when it happened, there has been like a nice another black girl that was just like, hey sis, you still got a twist in there. That happened to me before. Okay, so that is down again. So we're going through and I'm just fluffing out that part while keeping the ends intact. I'm even going through with my fingers just because it's right there. After fluffing to my liking, I've now completed my braid out. Hey, and we are done. Oh, a nice little shake was pretty good. I did that on accident. Okay, but a little shake gave it a little, it's like, looks all natural. Okay, this is super cute. Okay, I love the results of my braid out. It's nice and moisturized, defined. Only took me less than 30 minutes to take down, nice and carefully. One product, so a butter-based hair product or an oil works really great. Taking it down by unraveling the braids in the opposite direction. This has been fun getting back into the zone of recording for YouTube. That's where I started all my content outside of a blog. So stay tuned to this journey as I relaunch YouTube this year, 2025. If you like this video and want to see more of me and my natural hair journey, subscribe to my channel. And as always, take it step by step and day by day.